back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am back with how to make 2022 the best year yet. I'm going to be making a dream vision board, making goals but making sure they're realistic, and also just kind of do a bit of manifestation and also just a bit of reflection on our previous year being 2021. I really hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below. And without the way, let's get into the video. I think 2021 a positive year. Thinking about all the good things that I did achieve in 2021, and I also met a lot more of my YouTube friends. The thing that really stuck out to me, something I've really learned from this year, is that everything happens for a reason, even if it's not the way you want it to. And going into 2022, I'm taking with me all the lessons I've learned. I'm going to use those in future experiences if anything else comes my way. On my laptop a few days ago, I made this little grid on Canva. I've got 6 sections. The first one is self-care and habits, fitness, school, social media, myself, and my routine. It's nothing too fancy. I kind of just kept it kind of simple. I have to leave my house every day around 7:40, so I want to start waking up at 6 a.m. and by doing this, it will make me more tired in the evening, which means that I'll be able to go to sleep easier, which is very beneficial to my sleep schedule. Since the new year began, I've journaled every single day, sometimes twice a day in the evening, just to kind of clear my head. It's so therapeutic. I really recommend it. So definitely to journal every day before I start my day or in the evening. Things like that are just so calming for your mind. Now, if you're forgetful like I am, you can just set little reminders in your phone and a little alarm can go off, and then you can just be reminded. And after doing it a while, it becomes more consistent, and it's the best feeling ever. Now, when I'm consistent with my skincare, my skin feels amazing. By consistency with skincare, I mean washing my face in the morning and as well in the evening before I go to bed. And you can also just set that little goal for yourself, and that way you can be like, today I achieved doing this. Even if it's just the smallest thing, it is still something and you should be proud of it. To start a new podcast, I've been obsessed with Everything Goes by Emma Chamberlain. It is such a good podcast. I love listening to it every morning. The next thing is fitness. I don't want this to be twisted or misinterpreted. By have a healthier diet, I mean fuel my body correctly. The next thing is to drink 2 to 3 litres of water a day. This is your reminder to get your daily water intake because it's so important.
Moved to the city, over the Tappan Zee Bridge. You like the colors, you can't see anything.
First thing is reflecting on 2021 and going into the new year. We really need to get in that positive mindset. So I personally think the best way to do that is to do some journaling. I'm going to show you guys the journal prompts that I'm doing and what I've written and everything. Every year I like to buy a new journal and just kind of have a fresh start. This one is from Amazon. If I find it, I will link it down below. I really like using bullet journals just because of like how tidy they are. I feel like it's easy to keep them tidy. So I'm just going to be using this one. Starting off, things you liked about 2021 and then things you didn't like about 2021. Things I'm going to do in 2022. You really reflect on your year and you can really pick out the things you liked and those things you can bring with you into the new year. And then you know the things that you didn't like and not to repeat. I wrote the lockdown we had at the beginning as it gave me a chance to grow my audience and be more productive. And then I wrote, I discovered that I liked this type of food because I found so many amazing foods in 2021 and I'm a very big food person. So I wrote all that down, obviously. I'm going to work on my confidence and how I view myself. I'm going to prioritize myself more and not to lose sight of the dream I'm working towards every day. That is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I will link them down below. Don't forget to manifest everything you want. You can do it. If you believe in yourself, you can do it. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.